So things are changing very rapidly, and we have to really look from an engineering perspective at how to architect our efforts in a way to give us maximum return on investment in engineering and development and innovation, and maximum reuse. So if I develop a HEVC encoder technology, how do I use that in as many places in the video chain as possible? And for this reason, we have developed VOS as a common platform and architecture across the entire video processing chain, all working on standards-based hardware, standard IT hardware. In this way, we don't have to spend on hardware engineering at all. And then we can also use the same codec, the same format support, the same graphics engine, branding engine, playout, anywhere in the video processing chain. So it allows us to innovate far more quickly. Every time Intel comes out with a new chip, we immediately get a performance enhancement, and because they immediately go into available blade servers. And we allow our customers to go through upgrade cycles rather than large change-outs every time new pieces of technology become available. So in this way, we're really focused on maximizing the innovation for our spend. We spend more than $100 million only on video, only on the video industry, and all of that is going to the latest innovations for our customers. The VOS platform and architecture is a common software-based architecture operating on standard IT hardware to deliver every piece of the video processing chain, from ingest through playout, graphic and branding, encoding, and then packaging and delivery for production, broadcast, and multi-screen applications. All, again, on a common software platform that can be deployed anywhere in a customer's infrastructure, usually in a high reliability data center. Within the VOS platform, the pure compression engine supports SD, HD, and ultra high definition, MPEG-2, MPEG-4, and HEVC for constant bitrate, variable bitrate, or adaptive bitrate applications. And our first released products based on VOS is the Electra XVM, supporting playout, graphics and branding, and the very latest in video compression. As I mentioned, Ultra HD and HEVC encoding for reasonable bandwidth for Ultra HD is part of our Electra XVM platform based on VOS. On the booth at NAB, we are demonstrating Ultra HD at 30 frames per second, 60 frames per second, and 120 frames per second. We're demonstrating live encoding and file-based encoding, and we're demonstrating contrast between 30 frames and 120 frames, and 1080p and Ultra HD, because we believe part of the realistic future of Ultra HD services is 1080p services, which are upgrades from today's 720p or 1080i.